AI feels safer than people. Not because it's better, because it doesn't judge you. You can say the weird thing. You can say the sad thing. You can say the thing you were too embarrassed to text anyone else. And somehow, it answers. Fast, kind, patient, always there. And that can feel really good when real people feel complicated. Because real people get busy. Real people misunderstand you. Real people leave you on red. Real people sometimes make you feel like you're too much. So you open the app instead. No awkward silence. No fear in your chest. No wondering if they secretly think you're annoying. Just a clean little box that says exactly what you needed to hear. And for a moment, it feels like connection. But here's the part nobody wants to say. Safe doesn't always mean real. AI can respond to you. It can comfort you. It can make you feel less alone for a while. But it doesn't actually know you. It doesn't remember your face when you walk into a room. It doesn't notice when your smile is fake. It doesn't miss you. It doesn't choose you. And that's the scary part. Not that AI exists, but that it can become easier than being honest with real people. Because with AI, you don't have to risk anything. No rejection, no conflict, no awkward truth. But real closeness always has some risk. You might say the wrong thing. You might feel exposed. You might not get the perfect answer. But you also might get something AI can't give you. A real laugh, a real look, a real person staying, even after seeing the messy parts of you. So maybe AI feels safer than people, because people can hurt us. But people can also heal parts of us that a screen can only distract from. Use AI if it helps, but don't let it become the only place where you feel understood. Because being answered is not the same as being known. If this felt familiar, subscribe for more quiet stories.